Hello everybody and welcome to today's video on the Autoflow. It's great to have you all here today to learn more about how you can automate your coaching using Everfit. The Autoflow is the ultimate time-saving feature, and where you find it is on the web platform, onto the left-hand side on the automation page. There's two types of Autoflows that you can build. So one is by day. This is where clients will join at different times, but they go straight into day one. And the next one is the exact date sequence. So this is great for your challenges, your ongoing subscriptions that are just running on a calendar format. So the example I'm going to show you today is the Hit the Holidays exact date sequence Autoflow. So there's three main layers to the Autoflow, with the first one being the training. So you'll be able to decide exactly what days those workouts are set up for, that all of the clients are going to receive. The next layer is the tasks and habits. So you'll be able to build out any general tasks, which is great for content sharing, any progress photos, body metrics, forms, and those habits too. The final layer is the auto messaging, so you'll be able to add any announcements, which will be the first thing they see when they open up their app that day. It's great for daily tips, motivation, but you can also have the in-app messages too. So this is where you can go hi and then first name, and you could say how's everything gone this week, and it'll come across as a personalized message, even though it could have gone out to tens to hundreds of clients all at once. To assign an Autoflow, you simply go onto clients, click onto add, and you'll be able to add individual and groups of clients too. There's some additional power that you get with the Autoflow add-on, so you can also connect leaderboards to a forum. So we have 8 different options at the moment that you can choose from, ranging from weight loss to volume lifted to accountability and steps too. And the final powerful aspect of the Autoflow is the fact that you can schedule forum posts in advance. So if you did want to build out a content calendar where you're posting each day on that forum, you can do that all at once rather than having to take the time and remember to post each and every day. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any other questions on the Autoflow, please feel free to reach out.